Sotinotenda Chiunya will be coming on for Ali Maliselo. So this is how the goal came. Luke Musikiri did well finding Mutudza, and Bill Antonio was there to just tap it in. So 37 minutes gone. ZPC Caribbean Autonomous 1.
He still has it. Has it there? Yes, it is. Bill Antonio wraps it up in the final minute of the game. He's been well below his best today, has Bill Antonio.
Slowly but surely. Antonio turns away from Bavarira. Still going Antonio. Antonio! And it's a goal! What's the name? Bill Antonio! That's a solo effort by the teenager. And the crowd goes ecstatic. Brilliant run. Weaving his way past a cluster of defenders.
And Shadrach Nyawa, touch from Temwanjira. Early attack, Bill Antonio. It is a shot on target. Oh, less than 30 seconds into the game. Buera with the cross. It's not dealt with well at all. Antonio. He rounds his man, Bill Antonio. Nadolo with Antonio is the target. It comes very nicely to Bill Antonio. Gets past Chota. Congested midfield. Is Antonio onside? Yes, he is. Bill Antonio. Chance here for Dynamos. It's Antonio. It's King Nadolo.
Murwira will come through with a cross. Setter! Chance! And it's a goal! Bill Antonio celebrates for Dimbare. Finds Antonio on the back post, cuts inside, across, and a chance, and it's a goal! Antonio into the box, that shot will come, and it's a goal! So Jaure will come to take the throw in the near side. Makunike with his first touch. Antonio, the man who created the goal scored by Paga. Makunike onto Antonio once again, but overcooks it. And Makarati